55 melodies available. Step 1. Choose a melody. Short, press the forward or backward key on the receiver to choose your favorite melody. Step 2. Set the melody on the receiver. Hold the volume key for 6 seconds on the receiver and the receiver will make a ding sound once. Step 3. Assign the melody to the transmitter. Press the doorbell key on the transmitter, and then the receiver will make a ding-ding sound, indicating that the melody has been assigned. Press the transmitter again and the bell rings to change completion.